go. Okay. Let's see. All right, y'all, man. I just got to the crib and wife's gift. All right, man. I think it's official. Got the GoPro mount and got the GoPro suction cup. Once you put it on the windshield, it's gonna have to stay still in that one spot, and it can't turn and all that like the one I was looking for. But I think this is better. The other one I was looking at on Amazon was like 15 bucks, and I'm sure it would have eventually broke. This GoPro one is warranted, lifetime warranty. So this bad baby break, guess what? Getting another one for the free. Well, at least that's what it says on the box. I really bought this, the head strap. I really bought this because it came with this. And you could like slide it on a beanie or a cap. I'm about to show y'all right now. But that's really why I bought this. Like, if this right here, if they sold this little piece for 20 bucks, I still would have bought it. Like, I didn't even buy it for the head strap. I bought it for this little piece right here because you can't find these nowhere. Like you can't. But GoPro, just like that. And okay, finally, I still got my setup on my motorcycle helmet. Center, mic, GoPro. I'm ready, y'all. I'm ready. Hey, coming soon. No, I'm just playing. But look how easy that is, man. Like, when I give y'all this POV footage, it's gonna be crisp. I'm not gonna be worried about am I getting a good shot, because this is gonna be perfect. My head movement, I could do races now, POV races. I could do all the good stuff. All right, y'all. So I just finished setting this up, and as y'all see, the suction cup will go on the windshield, and the GoPro hang over just like that. And it's set up pretty nice, man. It's gonna look real nice and professional. Another thing, how my GoPro is hanging down, my phone, my phone can also go up there, so it'll be used. Basically, when I'm doing a POV, I'll have my GoPro on my hat, which is right here. So I'll have that POV of the GoPro of basically everything I could see in front of me. Y'all will see that. And then I'll have my phone here facing me, and y'all will have that POV as well. So shit really finna get real. That's all I gotta say. Okay, now that it's up there, my ass was struggling. So it clearly says press. My ass was trying to push it on there and lock it down, but it's pretty neat, man. Like, it's a little lock thing. You push all the way down and you lock it, and it clicks. So it will not go nowhere. Unless you're pushing over 1,000 horsepower or some shit. I don't know, it might fly off. But yeah, it's nice, set up, sleek. There's that. Yeah, it doesn't turn, but if I wanted to, I could easily spin this around and make it face me like this. If that makes any sense. Like that. Now y'all tell me that ain't gonna be no clean ass POV angle. Y'all will see everything. I could put this behind me. Y'all could see the front gauges, the screen when I get it. I see the vision, man. Y'all gotta see the vision with me, man. Y'all gotta see the vision with me. My motor does rattle when I'm bagging up sometimes, when I'm like letting off, because I still haven't got my motor mounts. Dude over there driving a Tahoe with the Mexican flag out doing donuts. do have my internal mic on the GoPro, so the sound quality should be A1. No traffic. See, tomorrow morning I was planning on giving y'all some content headed to work. I go to work early, so it's usually no traffic. That was the plan, but like I say, I don't know if it was gonna rain or not. So, y'all getting it tonight. Seen the lights and shit, but damn. Yeah, that looks bad. Watching closely earlier when I was on the highway, my engine light came on. My engine light be playing some games with my ass. Like, it'll come on, then it'll go off, then it'll come on again, then it'll go off. But one thing I will say is when it comes on, it never stays on for like longer than 1 minute. Like I say, I think that's, well, me and Ricky was like, it's probably because one of the grounds aren't, it's like not grounded, so that's what we believe is, because the car is perfect. Oh, that was a female driving that 5.0. We're still blinking, baby. Luckily, this I had a spare battery and it had 66%. I swear his ass was about to go on my lane. I don't know if y'all seen that cop, but I'ma chill. 1, 2, 3. Powder coated or something, or I'll probably he probably wasn't even trying to race, honestly. But I think he was, because his ass was going pretty fast. And when he seen I was keeping up with him, he didn't brake, but I don't know, he probably either kept going fast, but my shit pulled in on him real quick. So he either let off the gas, or my shit is fast. I don't know, either or. Well, that'll be a good clickbait. Sometimes clickbaiting don't work at all, man. The subscribers be knowing, like, that did not happen. That did not happen. I'ma still watch your video, but I know what you're saying on this title and this thumbnail did not happen. You could hear a few scrapes when I hit a few bumps. I mean, engine light just came back on. That was fun. For y'all that don't know, I do carry this everywhere I go. All right, man. We made it to the crib. We home, dog. We home, dog. Oh, my bad, cuz. Oh. Hey. Y'all supposed to tell her not to do that to me. Tell her. I'm dog sitting you. Excuse the hell out of me.